Hi everyone, welcome back to Responsive Theme tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to white label responsive theme. In simple words, you will be able to make responsive theme as your own brand by customizing it with new names, descriptions, authors, and links. And for this, you need to activate the Responsive Pro plugin using your product ID and API keys. By default, Responsive Theme has its own branding, including the theme name, author description, and other information. After using the white labeling feature, you can remove all traces of the original branding and replace it with your own. Just like we did here, the theme has completely transformed. It has a new theme name, theme description, theme image, and author name. Let's see how to do that. To use the white labeling feature, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to Appearance and click on Responsive Options. Then click on the Settings tab and go to White Label. Here you can enter your author name, website URL, theme name, theme description, and theme screenshot URL. For theme screenshot URL, go to Media and click on Add New Media File. Upload the image you want to use for your theme here and then copy this URL and go back to White Label feature and paste it here. Follow the same process for uploading the theme icon URL. You can also add your plugin name, plugin URL, and plugin description. You can click on this checkbox to hide white label settings from your clients or backend users. Please note that you need to reactivate Responsive Pro plugin to enable this option. Once you are done, click the Save Changes button to complete the customization process. And that's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.